Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best iDEAL Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the eToro trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as eToro, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the eToro trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning, no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and FSCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. we recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you're a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. Coming in at number 3, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a well-established online Forex and CFD broker that has gained recognition as a leading platform for trading a diverse range of financial instruments. With its focus on providing a comprehensive trading experience, Avatrade has become a preferred choice for traders looking for a reliable and user-friendly brokerage solution. Traders have access to various trading accounts tailored to meet the needs of different levels of expertise, from novice traders to experienced professionals. These accounts provide opportunities to trade major and minor currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, and other popular assets. Avatrade facilitates both spot trading and derivative trading, allowing traders to capitalize on market fluctuations and implement diverse trading strategies. Avatrade offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. At number 2 on our list is eToro. eToro, a prominent online trading platform, has established itself as a leading player in the financial technology industry. With a user-friendly interface and innovative features, eToro has become a go-to platform for individuals seeking to engage in various financial markets. offering a unique blend of social trading and investment opportunities. eToro allows users to connect with a global community of traders, share insights, and replicate the strategies of successful investors. eToro offers a diverse array of trading instruments across various financial markets, providing users with a comprehensive platform to explore and invest. Traders on eToro can access a wide range of assets, including Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. eToro empowers traders to explore and invest in different asset classes, fostering a comprehensive and accessible trading experience. eToro's trading platform stands out as a cutting-edge and user-friendly interface that caters to both novice and experienced traders. With a commitment to simplicity, the platform provides an intuitive environment for users to engage in various financial markets seamlessly. eToro's platform offers a unique social trading feature, enabling users to connect with a global community of investors and even replicate the trading strategies of successful peers. Whether trading stocks, commodities, or other assets, eToro's platform combines accessibility with advanced features to enhance the overall trading experience. The broker offers a range of trading account types that are designed to cater to diverse investor preferences and trading styles. Whether one is a seasoned trader or a beginner, eToro provides options to suit individual needs. These accounts include the personal account, the professional account, their corporate account, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. eToro also offers an innovative feature called the Copy Trader, allowing users to automatically replicate the trades of successful investors. As a well-established online trading platform, the broker understands the importance of empowering traders with knowledge, and to that end, it offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources through the eToro Trading Academy. Tailored for traders of all levels, the eToro Academy serves as a valuable learning hub, providing a wealth of educational materials, tutorials, and articles. Through the eToro Academy, traders can enhance their knowledge, refine their strategies, and stay informed about market developments. Overall, eToro stands as a leading force in the world of online trading, offering a user-friendly platform, diverse trading instruments, and a wealth of educational resources. The broker has successfully created a space where traders of all levels can thrive, whether one is interested in stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, or social trading. eToro offers a comprehensive and dynamic trading environment. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best iDEAL Forex brokers, we have Plus 500. Plus 500 is a well-established global trading broker founded in 2008, offering CFD and future trading to millions of traders worldwide. Listed on the London Stock Exchange and regulated in multiple jurisdictions, Plus 500 delivers a secure and transparent trading environment. The platform provides access to a wide range of markets, all within a clean, user-friendly interface. Traders benefit from zero commissions, competitive spreads, an unlimited free demo account, and 24/7 customer support. The broker offers access to a variety of CFDs across a wide range of asset classes, giving traders access to more than 70 Forex pairs, global indices, commodities, shares, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and options. Whether it's major currency pairs, popular stock markets, energy products, or emerging digital assets, the broker's diverse selection allows traders to explore multiple markets from a single user-friendly platform, all with competitive spreads and flexible leverage. Plus 500 offers a simple yet powerful proprietary trading platform accessible via WebTrader, desktop and mobile applications for iOS and Android. The platform delivers fast trade execution, real-time charts, over 100 technical indicators, customizable watch lists, and price alerts, all in an intuitive, easy-to-navigate design. With full functionality across devices and built-in risk management tools, their platform makes it easy for traders to access global markets anytime, anywhere. Plus 500 offers a range of account options to match different trading needs. Their demo account allows users to practice with virtual funds in a risk-free environment, while their standard retail account gives access to all instruments with competitive spreads, no commissions, and built-in risk management tools. Experienced traders who meet certain criteria can apply for a professional account, which offers higher leverage. Plus 500 also provides a swap-free Islamic account for traders requiring Sharia-compliant conditions. Their Trading Academy offers a comprehensive suite of free educational materials designed to support traders at all levels. Their platform features a variety of resources, including beginner-friendly guides, how-to video tutorials, informative articles, and a Plus 500 ebook. Additionally, the Academy provides FAQs and a regular updated news section to help traders stay informed about key global business and economic developments. Their comprehensive suite of news and market insights through their News and Market section offers daily updates on global financial events, economic indicators, and market trends, keeping traders informed about the factors influencing the markets. Additionally, their proprietary Plus Insights tool analyzes aggregated client sentiment data, revealing the percentage of traders holding long or short positions on various instruments. This feature helps users gauge market psychology and identify potential reversal points. Traders can access these insights directly within the trading platform, enhancing their decision-making process. And those are some of the top 5 best iDEAL Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.